今天又来钓 trout， 然后和我的小伙伴 Jeremy。Yo Jeremy，say hi to the camera.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Let's go.
We're out here on the Upper Stevens Creek. We're doing a little bit of BFS trout fishing.
Yes sir, yes sir. 然后后大溪3.5厘米 ，Stella C2000S。这个杆子是呆瓦的蝴蝶，来钓点野的鳟鱼。后大溪重鱼。Oh yeah, a bigger one. See?
There you go. That's a nice one.
Yeah, man.
That's what we're here for.
Yes, sir. It's a beautiful coast.
What we are here for and nothing else.
That's beautiful, man. 鳟鱼啊，后大溪2.5公野的。All right. 哦，got one. Yep. There it is. Good fish. Take it easy.后大溪2片重鱼。Oops. Nice.
California roach, very common food species here in the central California rivers, and the primary forage for the rainbow trout.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
后大溪. That's the brand. It's called 后大溪.
The Hodashi.
Yeah, Hodashi.
3.5.
Yes.
Get it done every time.
Nail big. Nail big.
Take it easy, bro. Jeremy got a big one.
All right.
Yeah, that's a decent one, man.
This is what we're hiking through the bushes in the middle of the summer to
For
find.
sure.
Oh my God, this is.
Take it easy, take it easy. Chill, buddy. Gonna let you go. 后大溪. What's it's 2.5 grand?
The 3.5.
3.5 grand. Yes, sir. Sick. Oh my God.
Hodashi for the win, bro.
For the win, bro.
Fucking win. Catching fish all the way across the Pacific Ocean. Oh my goodness.
我的天哪!
All right, guys, here we are, Upper Los Gatos Creek. A nice rainbow trout. This is a lake run steelhead example. And back
There
it
he goes.
A few moments later.
Bass?
No, it's a, I don't know. It's a trout.
Bass.
It's a bass. Okay, mighty
It's a spotted
fish.
bass. That's not even a largemouth. That's
Really?
a spotted bass. That's a Lexington special right there.
Really?
Yeah. You can tell it's got the 3 marks by the eyes. 1,
Oh
2, 3.
yeah.
That's a spotty. That's cool, dude.
Yeah.
最后再来个一镜到底瀑布小，我俩连杆。
Good one. Nice. 后大溪2边又中鱼了，蓝灯拍了，今天中鱼中太多了。I got one too. 后大溪。Easy, easy. 很漂亮，野生的红鳟。
Nice.